What's up, DJ crew? It's your girl Joy, and there's no DeMarco because I'm about to play a prank on him. If you can't tell by the ingredients, I got some glue, some slime. We're about to mix it all up. Maybe add some water, make it a little watery. Call him outside because I'm not about to do this inside and get his reaction. I'm in the extra bedroom right now, and hopefully he thinks I'm wrapping presents because we've been wrapping like presents in here just so we don't find out what it is or whatever. So let's get into the video. But before I start, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and also comment Team Joy in the comments because he's about to be pissed. Alright, I don't know how to do this, so we're winging it. Winging it. Probably should have read up on this before I did it. That's a lot of glue. That's a lot. That's a lot. That's a lot. I don't know if that's 1-to-1 or what. Anyway, we'll figure it out. I didn't want you in there. Apple flavor. Okay, get into this mixture. Get into this mixture though. Ooh. Okay, it's kind of disgusting. I can't put too much glue. Yeah, way too much glue, I think. I don't know. Not a pro at this.
A few moments later.
Also, it's green again, you know, Vlogmas Day 3. You know. I don't think that's how it's supposed to look, y'all. This ain't it. This ain't it. This ain't it. And so, RIP to this bowl. I don't know. Do I need more slime thing? Loki might be legit. I like it. Glue, maybe.
20 minutes later.
I think that's good right there. Let's just use it all. Smells good. A little bit more glue. And get his reaction.
B, can you help me with this, please? Outside? Yeah.
Why you made the? What is this?
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. What the hell? What is this? This shit stinks. What the hell? Watch out. What you do? Use the whole bottle? Got some under my hoodie. My neck cold. Do I? Why is it on behind my ear? The hell? That's all of it?
I don't know.
Like you remember the old
Okay,
days.
say to enjoy. Bye.
To enjoy? No. Hold on.
Bye.